Okay guys, if you found yourself needing a tune-up on your 2012 Sonata, here's how it goes. Basically, you're going to use a spark plug socket and you're going to use a 10mm socket. This one we already did, but I wanted to be able to show you. You're going to remove the screw here. You do not need to play with this here at all, like you see in other videos. So my uncle's going to show you right now. Here, remove the screw. You just pop the piece off to the side. He's going to remove the old socket. Now he placed a piece of electrical tape on the plug socket so that when you're turning it, it grips on and it comes out a little bit easier. It also is going to help you when you put the new spark plug in to not drop. We already checked the gap. The gap came as is. Your part number, we got Hyundai, but they sent the Kia. It's the same. You can see it says Hyundai. 188471160. You can see there how it held on tight. Okay. Now he's going to get the new spark plug. Now he applies the Loctite. Go ahead. Holds it tight in there. Down she goes, and it's not falling because of the tape that he added on there. You're going to do that to all four. Once he gets it in there tightened, don't over tighten it. That can be an issue. He's just going to put the cover back on, the 10mm screw back on. And that's 2 down and 2 to go. And look at that, 2 minutes. Have a good day, guys.